Hello, Jasmine.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask some questions. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Name two animals who gives milk.
Cow, buffalo.
Very good. Which is the king of jungle?
Lion.
Okay. Which animal has a hump?
Camel.
Very good. Which animal has a trunk? Trunk. Which animal has a trunk?
Elephant.
Yes. Which animal has a long neck?
Giraffe.
Now, I will ask babies of animal. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
A baby lion is called?
Baby lion.
Baby lion is called?
Cub.
Yes. A baby hen is called?
Chicken.
A baby dog is called?
Puppy.
Yes. A baby cat is called?
Chicken.
A baby pig is called?
Piglet.
A baby duck is called?
Duckling.
Very good. Now I will ask sounds of animals. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Dogs,
Bus.
cats,
Meow.
cows,
Moo.
lion,
Horse.
roar.
Roar.
Yes. Duck,
Duckling.
duck. Sound.
There.
Yes. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good, Jasmine.